Hey guys, working on a 2020 Audi Q5, came in for a cylinder misfire. This is a strange one. Car drove great, never had an issue. Once you get up above 5,000 RPM, all of a sudden, boom, detects misfire, turns off the cylinder, runs like crap until you cycle the key. Then it comes right back to being normal until you get to 5,000 RPM again. Doesn't have to be under heavy load, light load, coasting, just slowly bringing up the RPM. As soon as it gets to 5,000, runs into an issue. Did a compression test, did a leak down test, everything passed, swapped coils to a different cylinder, spark plugs to a different cylinder. We even went as far as swapping injectors to a different cylinder. Really didn't find anything. So we ended up chasing a little further and wanted to look at the valve train. Lucky for us, these engines have a oil separator valve that sits right on top of the engine, and that gave us access to cylinder number 4 intake cam. Well, as you see right there, we're missing a rocker out of there. So what ended up happening was this rocker got spit out. Okay, see if you can zoom in on it. You can see that it was hitting the cam a little bit. The lifter, I believe, collapsed, and that's what caused some issues. The new rocker looks like it's actually redesigned and has taller retaining walls here for the valve. So I don't know if they know something, but what we're going to try to do is replace that without actually tearing into the engine and taking the timing apart. So let's see if we can manage that. All right, so we're going to try to figure out a way to get this rocker back in without disassembling all the timing. Here's what we came up with. We have this little trim tool with a little curve. That so happens to fit nicely right on top of that valve spring. And if we take this pry bar, okay, and we put leverage on top of this, now watch what we can do with that. So if I push this down, see that? We can actually push the valve down. So we're gonna do that in order to get that rocker snuck in there. Hopefully it works. Stay tuned, find out. Okay guys, we were able to get it in. It took a little bit of massaging. It was not easy. We needed 6 hands, but we got it in. Let me show you. So there it is, there's our rocker. And what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna spin it over, turn the engine over, and hope that it holds. Yeah, go ahead and crank it. All right, looks like she works. She's scooting. Try it again. Okay. All right, guys, so we're back in the car now and about to fire it up, see if it works. We're looking at our live data to see if we have any misfires here. Let's fire it up and see if she starts. All right, we've got no misfires right now. Seems to run nice and smooth, no noise. Let's take her for a spin. All right, well, we're back from our test drive. I think we kind of got lucky with the fact that that rocker happened to spit out on one of the only 2 valves out on the whole engine that you could really access through that oil separator valve. There's cylinder 4, both intake valves, so the only ones you can get to. All the other valves you just cannot even get access to. So customer got lucky. We were able to get this fixed without getting deep into the engine. And yeah, there you go. It's a little hack on an Audi.